Gus the Prairie Dog's Big Adventure by Steve Lucock. Chachina was in the living room having a chat with Steve. As Gus crept quietly down the hall so no one could hear him leave, he carefully opened the front door, making sure no one saw, then looked out into the big wide world where he had never been before. The noise from the traffic was loud, and through his fur the wind blew. He stepped outside for the very first time and was unsure of what to do. He carefully walked next to the wall to hide away from strangers. But Zante saw from inside the hall and followed to protect Gus from danger. Gus went wandering down the street as fast as he could be. Zante followed on silent feet so that Gus could not see. Gus crossed the road to the flowers, which were yellow and smelt good. He then noticed in the distance what looked like a wood. He played amongst the trees and decided to make a camp. To shelter himself from the wind, which felt cold and damp. Then he visited the river, which was flowing fast and deep. The horse in the field said it's time to go home, so he headed back up the street. Gus quickly hurried inside the house, as Steve's van was still at home. Gus never noticed who'd been protecting him. Zante had never left him alone. Zante lay upon the bed, feeling as sleepy as he could be, and was happy that Gus was safely home and being cuddled by Daddy Steve.
Hi, it's Steve Lucock here from Saviour's Haven Sanctuary. Please subscribe to this channel and help us to support Zante Fox and Friends.